Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm welcoming you for this wonderful session, AIAS. And before that, I would like to thank HR team and also the other team members in Camel Factory who has given me this opportunity. Uh, so next we will. This is a very quick session, and also it's a very known topic for you, everyone. Not related to artificial intelligence, but generally we are going to concentrate about how we are going to do the services using the AI. So this is the topic called AI. So now I'm going to show my presentation. So AIaaS, this is called AI as a service. So basically, we are offering a lot of software services, software as a services, and now we are now everyone is into the booming world called AI. So everywhere you go and see in the Google or any news, it's daily we are getting AI. So it's not easy to develop AI as a new product or new development. We have a lot of things and a lot of learning, we have to pass through a lot of areas in order to develop an artificial intelligence product. So for that, we need to understand what is AI as a service, in which layer it's using it, and what are the advantages and challenges, so that in future we are able to. Right now, we are offering services as a software. Slowly, we will develop AI, and also we can push as a AI as a service too. So for that, we have to concentrate what are the service providers and in which layer we can build this AIs, in what are the areas services offered by AI. So as you all know, everyone in the software industry, we all know about these are the different types of services in the software world. So one is on-premises, and another one is IaaS and PaaS and SaaS. So everyone knows about all the things. If on-premises means we have to take care of all the things, all the application setup, development, and servers. We have to own the hardware, software, cost, everything. And infrastructure as a service, like we can get the infrastructure as a service and as a kind of platform, and also the software. Right now, the next stepping stone area is called artificial intelligence also as a service, which is called AAS. So mostly this model is mainly developed in cloud-based model only. So all the AI technologies is developed in the cloud, and it is used widely in the internet. We will use all the AI capabilities, and we can develop or build their own infrastructure. So this is called AIaaS. And how this AI works. So mainly these are the 6 key areas how the artificial intelligence build up. One is we want to know the machine learning algorithms, and next the version is deep learning, and then computer vision, natural language processing, NLP, and deep neural networks and cognitive computing. So basically, if we want to develop any automated system or machining or any sentiment analysis, we have to follow any one of these 6 principles has to be followed in the artificial intelligence. And why we go for AI? Does anybody knows? Can any one of you tell why we want AI as a service? Any idea? I think everyone
To
is.
ease up the efforts put by human, or to
Yeah.
make efficient ways of handling things, so
Yes.
that the quality can be improved.
Yeah, exactly. Even what says is exactly correct. And also added to that, um, rightly, before that we used only the on-premise development. After that, we moved into the cloud. That is a major thing, and everyone is using AWS, either AWS or Amazon Azure services, Microsoft Azure services. Basically, we want to move the code or any development in the cloud, we can use it, and we can get a lot of services like databases also, and other mechanism, computing mechanism also we can get from the cloud providers. Like that, if the AI is given as a services, so that code the development will be high scalable and cost saving, or else AI development is little bit much coster. It's not afford to develop the new AI product in the own on-premises development. So that's how the cost saving and quickly we will deploy, and the transparency price will be transparent, because they will clearly say how much cost used for this services and how much not, like that. And also we can utilize the customization. So these are the different advantages of AIs. At the same time, we also have some challenges, because the price is little bit high comparatively to the other service providers, and also the transparency of our code data, everything is gone into some other vendor, and security related issues is also there. So these are the challenges of AIs, and a lot of current big giant IAS providers is also working on these challenges part. So because of these advantages and disadvantages, a lot of big companies and the big giant providers only enter into the market. Like we have IBM using the AI called IBM Watson, and so Amazon Web Service is one of the main AIS providers, and Microsoft Azure, IBM Watson, and Google Cloud platforms. These are the four major AI services providers. They listed out different varieties, like they can create own chatbot system, computer visions, or any other industries. So across all the industries, these are the main key providers. And apart from that key providers, also we have a lot of small companies or mid-level companies. They are also played in the AIs or AIA services. Like we have other services like SAS. These they are given AI driven analytics. So what are the different kind of analytics they are driven? And service now, they given a special offering for the IT service desk management analytics. They are offering the data annotation, and H2O AI is an AI cloud company, and live person. So these are the few other AI providers. We have a lot more AI as a service. And before get into these providers, I would like to tell about how the service providers, in which areas they have given the services, like mainly language processing, speech recognition, computer vision, and predictive and sentiment analysis. So these are the different areas the mainly AI is concentrating. And for this, mainly out of these four areas only, AI is developing through bots, machine learning, API, data labeling. So any services, any companies offer, out of which they develop the product under this. So either it is a chat GPT, like they are using a bot system, and machine learning also they used. API, lot of API integration is used, and for large volume of data, this data labeling is used. So these are the main four types of AI as a service, where the new products or new services is offered by the artificial intelligence companies. So like DevOps, we also have the AI Ops. So AI Ops is both the combination of big data, machine learning, and decision making. So big data contains a large volume of data. We have to collect large volume of data. Through the data, the machine learning did a lot of algorithms. Either it may be a deep learning or neural networks, whatever sentiment analysis, they continuously they'll work on the machine learning algorithms, and the decision is made and the output is given. So this is called AI Ops. Like after the DevOps, now it's coming the new arena into the operations environment is called AI Ops. So here we can do a lot of management work, IT works, and dynamic. We will create the dynamic environment. So far we discussed about the AI, how to find out the AI, and what areas we are going to, and what are the different types of AI. This is the overall business ecosystem of AI. So last week, I think few persons from the external, they took some transformer project, and this is how the software paradigm is there, the pre-training work, and inside only we have the chat GPT concept. And here we have the hardware. For this related hardware, we need AI supercomputer. And here we have a different layers: foundation, which the large generative models, middle layer, and application layer. So this is the entire AI business ecosystem. So for this, we want to understand the machine learning, deep learning, and also the neural networks. So for this, we have small models like a less volume of data in the pre-training module, and large generative models we can use as the bigger modules to understand the sentiment analysis. So this is the entire AI business ecosystem of artificial intelligence. And so that's all. This is the quick intro about the services, how thing. And before closing this session, I want to tell how to choose AI as a service in your project or product as a company or as a consultant. First, we have to identify the system in which area we can build the AI into your product, and what are the tools is available, services, and what kind of hardware or software setup is needed. If any tool is related to your project or process, you can pick it up and use a service. Then only it will be the cost effective. So this is how the AI services is coming up. Maybe in the future we will also one of the AI as a service provider and very soon. So thanks for your time. If you have any questions about the AI as a service, you can ask me now.